Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix keyboard not working during login on Windows 10. So guys, if you are facing this problem once you try to log in but keyboard is not working, you are not able to enter the password. So easy solution, you can try this method. Just guys, you have to this corner in login screen, you will see in this corner three button. In middle button like power button, click on it. Once you click on it, so you will see some options and there is the filter key. So guys, just turn off filter key. Just you need to select to off position that filter key and try to log in your Windows. Hopefully guys, once you turn off your filter key, so you are able to log in. And also you can use on-screen keyboard. In the first option you will see on-screen keyboard there, so open it. So this is the method and this is the setting guys, you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.